Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today I would like to highlight very important topic from our subject strategic management. It is corporate strategy and types of corporate strategy. For the types of corporate strategy, you can even say levels of corporate strategy or strategic alternatives. Meaning corporate strategy. Corporate strategy is also called as grand strategy. Corporate strategy is the direction an organization takes with the objectives of achieving business success in the long run. It is formulated by top level management of the organization. Yes, guys, from the meaning itself, we can come to know that corporate strategy means nothing but we can say in simple terms, that is company strategy. Long-term planning, long-term strategy for the development of the organization, we can say achieving the objectives of the organization. How an organization objectives can be achieved? Definitely with proper planning and with proper utilization of resources. Proper utilization of materials, proper utilization of human resources, that is employees of the organization. You need to utilize your employees properly. So it is nothing but a company strategy. Fine, let's see definition. Corporate strategy encompasses a firm's corporate actions with the aim to achieve company objectives while achieving a competitive advantage. Yes, guys. It is nothing but a company or a corporate actions with the aim of achieving its objectives with a competitive advantage. Yes, guys, your competitors will be there. You need to identify the opportunities in the market to beat the competitors. Then only your company will survive for the long term. So achieving the objectives, how can you achieve the objectives? Again, the same point, that is long-term planning. For the long-term planning, you need to put one great strategy that is called corporate strategy. Let's see what are its types. Types of corporate strategy, I already told you. It is also known as levels of strategy or strategic alternatives. It is classified into 4 categories, that is stability strategy, growth strategy, retrenchment strategy, combination or mixed strategy. Let's see point number 1, that is stability strategy. Stability strategy refers to a strategy by a company where the company stops the expenditure or expansion. In other words, stability strategy refers to a situation where companies do not venture into new markets or introduce new products. Yes, guys, stability meaning itself stable, unchanged or no change. Stability means. So stability strategy means whatever the problems in the market, whatever the problems in the organization, that is internal problems or external problems, you are not going to change your strategy, decisions, planning. You are following the traditional method. I am happy with what I have. I don't want more expansion, sir. I don't want more development, sir. This is enough for me, sir. Some of the companies will come under this category. They don't focus, or even we can say they don't bother about the expansion, business development, etc. But they are happy with what they have. They don't venture also. They don't make partnership with other company also. They will stay single, they will stay simple, and they run the business. So name itself suggests that it is no change strategy. Point number 2, growth strategy. A growth strategy is one which management plans to develop its business and to achieve organizational goals accurately. Yes, guys, growth, name itself saying that it is a development strategy. Under this, a company will do long-term planning, great techniques, so that they can implement and they get success. So the organizations under this category always think about growth. It looks simple, but it's not simple. If you want to develop your business, there are lots of problems, that is internal problems as well as external problems. You need to focus, you need to manage both the environment, that is internal environment and external environment. Whatever it is, your ultimate objective must be achieving the organizational goals. So guys, let's see what are the types of growth strategy. Types of growth strategy, again, it is classified into 2 types, internal or intensive growth. Point number 2, external or integrative growth. Again, internal growth strategy is classified into 4 types: horizontal growth, vertical growth, concentric growth, conglomeratic growth. And external or integrative growth strategy is classified into 4 types, that is merger, joint venture, acquisition, amalgamation. Guys, for internal external explanation, I will make another one video. In it you can see its entire explanation. Point number 3 is retrenchment strategy. A strategic option which involves in reduction of any existing product or service line along with the level of objectives set below the past achievement is known as retrenchment strategy. Yes, guys, sometimes the demand for the product will be less. So what you need to do at that particular period of time, you need to reduce its production. Then only your organizations could be able to take strategic decisions to enter the market with the new product or to develop the existing product. Name itself suggests that retrenchment, addition, subtraction you need to do. It is a great kind of strategy in which you are focusing about your product expansion or reduction. You are shrinking your product, production, sales, and so on. In other words, a strategy used by corporation to reduce the diversity or the overall size of the operation of the company is known as retrenchment strategy. Yes, guys. Diversification you are reducing. For example, if your product is sold in so many states, under this category, you think that my product sale is not up to the mark in that particular state, then you are taking your product from that state. You are not allowing or you are not entering your product in that particular state. You are reducing operations, business operations. Retrenchment strategy often used in order to cut expenses with the goals of becoming a more financial stable business. Yes, guys, it is an process of cutting the expenses, escaping from the expenses. Unnecessarily, you need to produce the product, you need to sell the product, that product is not getting sales in the market. Again, you need to face the problem. To escape from those problems, what you are doing, you are escaping from production. You are reducing the production, you are shrinking the production. And it is classified into three categories: turnaround strategy, divestment strategy, liquidation strategy. Now, point number 4, combination or mixed strategy. Combination of any corporate strategy used by an organization in different business at the same time or in the same business at different times with the objectives of achieving organizational goals. It's called as combination strategy. Yes, guys. It refers to organization using different business strategy at the same time to develop its business, or sometimes we can say same business with different strategies, but ultimate objective is achieving the organizational goals. Under mixed strategy, first 3 strategy also used. I will show you. That is stability strategy, growth strategy, retrenchment strategy. Mixed. Depends upon the situation. According to the situation, organization use these strategies. We cannot say which strategy organization will be fixed. They will use strategies based on the situation, conditions. That is called mixed or combination strategy. So thank you very much, guys. Next thing we will discuss in next video. Wish you all the best.